How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel here. And let's say you just brought your third generation of AirPod and all of a sudden you are just noticing that your one of the AirPod is working and one of them is not. And it could be the right side or it could be the left side is working, or maybe the right side is not. Now if you're having this problem, don't worry. I'm about to tell you some ways that you guys can follow to solve your problem. And the very first one that we're going to just tell you to take a look at is the volume itself. Just go ahead and open up your settings, and from your settings you have to scroll down and open up your accessibility. And from there, you have to scroll down a little bit and then you'll be able to see your AirPod. Now, if you don't find out your AirPod option over here, make sure that your AirPod is connected with your iPhone and then you'll be able to see this option. From there, just go ahead and tap on your AirPod and scroll down here, tap on audio accessibility settings. From there, you have to scroll a little down here and then you'll be able to see the balance. Now, if you're choosing left side or the right side, then what's going to happen? Your one side is going to work and other side is not going to work. Therefore, to solve the problem, you have to place it to the middle so that your both left and right can work perfectly fine. Well, even after that, let's you just putting it in the middle. If you see still you got the same problem with your third generation of AirPod, the next things we're going to talk about is the mono audio. Now, if you, for some reason, if you see that your mono audio is turned on, just go ahead and turn it off. And quickly after that, just go ahead and close out your setting. And now go ahead and take a look whether your problem is solved or not. If you see still you have the same problem, the next things we're going to tell you to do, just once again, open up your settings and go to the Bluetooth section here and then choose your I option to the AirPod, and from there just go ahead and scroll down here and choose forget this device. Tap on forget this device, tap on forget this device, and now just close your case. And now just go ahead and just give it a restart on your iPhone to solve the problem. To do that, of course, you can just press that volume down button and the power button at the same time, and then just go ahead and slide it to the power up, wait around some time and turn it back on. Well, after restarting your device, now just go ahead and grab your AirPod 3rd generation, open the case, and now just go ahead and tap on connect. And now just tap and hold that back button of your AirPod and wait around a bit, and then you'll be able to see now your AirPod is going to be connected with your device. Now right after that, just go ahead and simply see whether your problem is now solved or not. If you have still the same problem, we're going to talk about the charge itself. Now, if you see that your right side or left side is not working, that could potentially mean that your left or right AirPod doesn't have enough charge. Now, sometimes if there's a dust particle happens to be stuck all around here, and if that doesn't supposed to get charged from the case, then this issue can happen. Therefore, all we recommend you to do, just go ahead and grab a piece of cloth and simply clean this metal, okay? Now, after clean this out, just go ahead and place it back onto your case, and once you see that it is charging, and then you'll be able to solve the problem. Well, at this point, if you still have the same problem and you cannot solve this, then last but not least thing that you guys can do, you simply can reset your AirPod 3rd generation to solve the problem. Now to do that, just go ahead and turn it back and take a look at this button right here. Now all you have to do, you have to press and hold this button for about 10 seconds unless you see the color changes with orange color. So I'm just going to go ahead and press and hold it, and then I'll just keep holding that down. As soon as you see the orange color appears, go ahead and let go of this button, and now just close your case and open this up. And then you'll be able to see this connect option will appear on your iPhone. Then just go ahead and tap on connect, and right after that your device is going to be connected with your iPhone. Now all you have to do is just go ahead and just see whether your problem is solved or not. So we can tell you guys, after doing all of the process, you'll be able to see that your both AirPod will start to work. So these are the ways that you guys can follow on your third generation of AirPod, especially if you see your left or right AirPod is not working, and this is how you can solve your problem. Hope you find this video useful, guys. If so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you all later.